Have you seen the viral CogniHoney ads claiming that a simple honey-based formula can improve memory, eliminate brain fog, reverse cognitive decline, and even help people living with Alzheimer's disease or dementia? If those promises sound almost too good to be true, there are several important facts you should know before spending any money. After examining the marketing behind CogniHoney, the biggest concern isn't the idea of honey itself, but the way the product is being promoted. Many advertisements claim that Bill Gates supports or invested in CogniHoney, yet there is no reliable evidence confirming those endorsements. The promotions also feature AI-generated and deepfake videos designed to make celebrities, medical experts, or public figures appear to recommend the product when they never actually did. Another major red flag is the use of fake news-style websites that closely resemble well-known media outlets, creating the impression that the product has received legitimate news coverage. Some ads also promote a mysterious ancient Japanese ritual or secret honey recipe that supposedly reverses Alzheimer's disease. But no credible scientific evidence supports the existence of such a ritual or proves that any honey-based formula can reverse these serious neurological conditions. In many cases, viewers are initially promised a free recipe or health secret, only to be redirected toward purchasing supplements through a classic bait-and-switch sales funnel. The promotional material is also filled with dramatic testimonials and glowing reviews that cannot be independently verified. While the advertising often relies on fear by suggesting that memory loss will rapidly worsen without the product. Although some of the ingredients may be commonly used in dietary supplements, the extraordinary health claims simply are not backed by strong clinical research. Before considering CogniHoney, it's wise to verify every claim through trusted medical sources. Speak with a qualified healthcare professional, and carefully review subscription terms, upsells, refund policies, and independent customer feedback so you can make an informed decision based on evidence rather than persuasive marketing.